Ready for a tour beyond houses? I'm Tami Neuberger, your go-to real estate expert with eXp Realty. And today we're taking a deep dive into the vibrant life of Moore County. We're going on an exclusive journey to uncover local treasures and meet incredible individuals that make Moore County truly unique. From real estate insights to thriving local businesses, we're covering it all. And guess what? I have an exciting surprise for you. Today we're at a place where the heart of the community shines through every aspect. Here, passion meets purpose, offering us a unique glimpse into what makes Moore County so special. But before we embark on this adventure, leave me a comment and let me know where you're from and what business you want to hear more about. Now let's make sure you're all set to join me on many more. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button, and dive into the world of living in Moore County with me. I'm Tami Neuberger with Living in Moore County, and today we're at the RecRoom, and Levi is going to tell us all about it. Hi everybody, I'm Tami Neuberger with Living in Moore County, and today I'm here at the RecRoom with Levi, aka Dreamboat.
That's me.
And we're going to learn a little bit more about the RecRoom today. So Levi, give us the details.
Well, RecRoom is a great spot to be in Southern Pines. I just started working here about 8 months ago, and I've loved every minute of it. So it's a really great spot to be. Offers things for families that hasn't been in Southern Pines before.
Gotcha. And where are you located?
Southern Pines, right in downtown.
Okay. Can you give us a little bit of information on the history of the RecRoom and why it got started?
Absolutely. So, I mean, the owners were rooted in Southern Pines. They kind of saw this niche market that needed to be filled. I mean, really in Southern Pines, other than the movie theaters, the bowling alley, stuff like that, there's nothing for families to do. So they found this niche market, and they really capitalized on it and offered stuff for families to do in Southern Pines.
Nice. What products does your business offer to the community?
So, I mean, we really have a wide range of products, everything from reservations for birthday parties to work events and corporate events, stuff like that. I mean, obviously we have a bar and arcade games as well, so family friendly, corporate centered too as well, so a little bit of everything.
Nice. What's your favorite game?
My personal favorite game is Guitar Hero. If you go there, you'll see Levi all over the high scoreboard.
Not Dreamboat?
Not Dreamboat, not enough letters for that, sadly.
Gotcha. Levi, tell us about the staff here.
I mean, the staff here are some of the best people that I've worked with personally. Coming here, it was my first bartending job, so I was a little nervous about learning the cocktails and everything. But I mean, between Chad, Brio, Zach, and Nate, they've all just kind of taken me under their wing and shown me, you know, any questions I have, I know I can go to them, whether it's the middle of a rush or it's slow, and they're going to help me sit there, make sure I understand it. And I mean, it's really helped to build a knowledge around bartending from the base and then move from there, you know.
Right.
They've been very helpful.
Good. What makes your establishment stand out in the community?
Well, I mean, if you come on a Saturday, say at 2 o'clock, you'll see everyone ages 4 to 100 in here having a good time, families having a good time, birthday parties going on in the corner, and then you stick around to 9 o'clock and it turns into a nightclub as soon as it goes 21 and up. We get a bouncer at the door, everyone's in here having a good time, DJ, beer pong tournament. And I mean, we have a little bit of everything too. So if you want a Malibu Barbie, something sweet, or a Dreamboat, like I make something sweet, or anything from like a smoky old fashioned with Eagle Rare blends, Sergeant Valor's whiskey from right down the road at Beehawk. Got a little bit of everything. Very good variety.
Nice. How does your business contribute to the community with sponsorships or?
Okay, yeah. So our business, we've done a couple of different sponsorships with like little local kids teams, rugby teams. There was an adult dodgeball tournament that our employees took part in as a fundraising event.
That sounds lots of fun.
Yeah, we've done a couple of things sponsorship wise. Usually we have PTA nights here on like Tuesday or Wednesday night for local elementary schools, stuff like that. Lego Club meets every Wednesday, so we've got a couple of different groups going on in here.
Nice, sounds like a lot of fun. Where would people find out about what's going on here?
We have an Instagram page, RecRoom Southern Pines, where all of our events get posted. If you want to come in and just hang out for a little bit, we have a board with all of our weekly specials and activities that go on. Facebook page. I have a little bit of everything, so we're kind of everywhere.
Nice. All right. What's the best compliment you've ever gotten?
I actually just yesterday heard that someone said Levi makes a really good martini at RecRoom, so that is a pretty good compliment I've gotten. I like getting compliments on drinks and everything. Obviously, I know we're putting out great drinks, but it's always good to just hear that from a customer too, you know, that they're enjoying what you're
Right.
making for them and everything. Also the vibes too. I've gotten a couple of compliments just about everything that's going on and how people feel like they're having fun here, and it's something that Southern Pines needed, so we always love getting those compliments too.
Right. So if there was a family that just moved to Moore County outside of the rec room, where would you suggest that they go?
I would say Pedal Pub or the Trolley, something like that. Both of them stop at RecRoom, so you can still find your way here. We've also got Red's Corner across the street. That's a good spot for families as well. But yeah, Pedal Pub, Trolley for sure. Two great ways to explore downtown and really get a tour of Southern Pines.
Right. Okay. My last question.
All right.
Tell people how they can find you and what are the upcoming events this week.
Absolutely. You can find us on RecRoom Southern Pines Instagram page, our Facebook. Come out Friday, we have a comedy show. It's going to be the first comedy show that I've heard of in Moore County. So we'll have 3 headliners coming on the outdoor patio to do a comedy show. We've got trivia tonight, music bingo tomorrow night, beer pong Friday night as well, and a DJ on Saturday.
Nice.
Absolutely. We got a full week planned.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. And everybody come on down to the rec room.
We'll see you there.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. If you have any real estate needs, please reach out to me directly. Stay tuned for your next video, and until then, I see you living in Moore County.